Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you the use of formulas, the use of Excel formula as you can say. And now I'll show you the use of concatenate. This is very much powerful and known formula which helps in everyone's daily work, daily routine of offices, whether it can be in uh, office or student, any professional, for everybody it will help. You can see here our formula is already applied here. I'll delete the formula first so that I could make you understand how to do it. I type here is equal to concatenate. In bracket I select the value, comma, double comma, again comma, and then second value and 22. This is the cell value, again comma, and then again I'll put double quotes. I'll type here O 22 and bracket, and you can see Mr. Shubham Sharma is in the one cell. There should be space in double quotes. Now you can see here.